How to limit inappropriate comments on your Instagram post. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply limit somebody or inappropriate comments on your Instagram. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the Instagram application on your mobile phone devices. Once you do that, you're going to go into the profile option that is at the right bottom corner of your page. Once you go over there, you're going to go into the freelance option or a settings icon that is at the top right corner of your screen, that is just beside that create a post plus icon. Once you tap on it, a new dialog box appears which states a series of options, but you have to go and tap or select that settings mode. Once you tap on it, a new settings page would appear up that would again consist of series of options through which you have to select only one, that would be privacy, that is at number 4. Once you do that, in the interactions, you are going to go and look for the limits. So limits would be the number 1 option in the interactions. So once you tap on it, a new page of in limits has appeared, which suggests us different things that says we'll recommend group of accounts you may want to limit comments and messages from, and things like that. So once you continue, you'll go there again. Once again, a new page has appeared up. That page suggests who to limit and what is it limiting for, and what would be the limit period or duration. You can set it to 1 week, that is by default, and you can also make it like 2, 3, 4. How to, it is all up to you for how many weeks do you want it. So once you tap on turn on, you turned on limit. That means a message has been delivered to us by Instagram, and a dialog box in the middle of the screen that states you have been turned on to limits. That means we have successfully enabled the limit option. So this is how we limit inappropriate comments on our Instagram post. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.